Upgrade your bathroom experience with the ultimate in hygiene, comfort, and convenience. Discover the top 5 best smart bidet toilets that combine cutting-edge technology, eco-friendly performance, and luxurious features like heated seats, automatic flushing, and personalized cleaning. Your smart bathroom transformation starts here. Number 1. Luxury Smart Tankless Bidet Toilet. The Luxury Smart Tankless Bidet Toilet combines luxury, innovation, and eco-efficiency in one sleek design. Featuring a powerful flushing system, it uses only 1.26 gallons per flush while maintaining a thorough clean. An emergency flush function ensures reliable use even during power outages. Equipped with advanced smart sensor technology, the lid opens and closes automatically and the flush activates hands-free, offering a hygienic, contactless experience. The bowl is automatically moistened before use, promoting cleanliness. The tankless toilet design includes multiple cleaning modes: posterior, feminine, and massage, with 5 adjustable nozzle positions and pressure levels, all easily managed via a remote control. Enjoy unmatched comfort with a luxuriously heated seat, adjustable through for temperature levels, and a clear LED display for real-time settings. A gentle close seat and built-in night light make nighttime use safer and quieter. Installation is a breeze with detailed instructions and videos, and its ADA-compliant 17-inch height is ideal for adults and seniors. Sized at 26.7-inch L x 16.5 W x 17.9 H with a 12 rough-in, this smart toilet from Luxury enhances your bathroom with modern convenience, eco-conscious performance, and elevated hygiene. Number 2. EPLO Foot Sensor Smart Bidet Toilet. The EPLO Foot Sensor Smart Bidet Toilet delivers high-tech functionality with sleek, modern aesthetics, perfect for those seeking comfort, hygiene, and style in their bathroom. This smart toilet features a heated seat, night light, instant warm water, warm air dryer, LED display, and automatic deodorization, all easily managed via an intuitive remote control. As a bidet toilet combo, it includes a self-cleaning arc-shaped wand offering customizable front and rear wash modes. Users can adjust spray shape, water temperature, pressure, and wand position, with additional pulsating and oscillating functions for a personalized clean. Enjoy hands-free convenience with automatic flushing options including off-seat auto flush, foot sensor flush, remote control, and button-operated flush. Its powerful siphonic and jet flushing system ensures a deep and efficient clean every time. Designed with energy savings in mind, the Eco mode helps reduce electricity usage, while dual flush options, 1.6 GPF or 1.1 GPF, conserve water. Built with high-quality certified components, IAPMO EGS, CUPC, CEC, this toilet offers long-lasting performance and peace of mind. The EPLO Smart Toilet is not only high-performing but also user-focused, offering responsive customer service via Amazon for any inquiries. It's a smart, hygienic upgrade for any modern bathroom. Number 3. Woodbridge Dual Flush Smart Bidet Toilet. The Woodbridge Dual Flush Smart Bidet Toilet is a top-tier bathroom upgrade that seamlessly blends advanced technology with user-focused comfort. Featuring smart sensing with auto opening and closing, the lid responds as you approach or leave, ensuring a hygienic, hands-free experience. Its ADA-compliant chair height design, 17 3/8, is ideal for seniors or those with mobility challenges, offering improved comfort and accessibility. The automatic flush function activates when you leave the seat, making cleanup effortless and sanitary. With a MAP flush score of 1,000 grams, its dual flush system, 1.6 GPF full to 1.1 GPF half, ensures powerful performance while conserving water. Enjoy spa-like luxury with front and rear oscillating wash options, adjustable water pressure, and hygienic filtered water. The movement drying feature includes 3 airspeed levels, significantly reducing toilet paper use. A foam shield auto-generates on seating, minimizing splashes and odors, while built-in auto-deodorization keeps the environment fresh. Added perks like the foot sensor for lid seat control and flushing, UL and IAPMO certifications, and a complimentary bottle of cleaning foam demonstrate Woodbridge's commitment to quality and convenience. With professional tech support and an extra year of warranty available upon registration, this smart toilet redefines comfort, hygiene, and eco-efficiency. Number 4. Bazith Smart Bidet Toilet with Built-in Tank. The Bazith Smart Bidet Toilet with built-in tank is a thoughtfully engineered solution for modern, efficient, and luxurious bathroom living. Designed for ultimate hands-free convenience, it features automatic lid opening and closing, foot-activated flushing and seat lift, and off-seat auto flush. A remote control makes managing its many features effortless, from rear and front warm water cleansing to the heated seat, LED display, and soothing nightlight. Its built-in water tank ensures reliable flushing even in homes with low or unstable water pressure, while also operating quietly. The powerful flushing system, using just 1.03 gallons per flush, combines jet and siphonic action for deep, efficient cleaning, perfect for eco-conscious households. Bazith elevates hygiene with a self-cleaning, detachable nozzle, and rear-front wash modes with customizable water temperature, pressure, and spray position. The warm air dryer with foot temperature settings ensures a comfortable dry, especially during colder months. The one-twist quick mode, wash, flush, dry, streamlines your routine into a smooth 90-second cycle plus 3-minute drying. Comfort is prioritized with a 16.7-inch comfort height, making it easier for those with joint issues. Even during outages, power-off flushing ensures reliability. Bazith redefines intelligent hygiene with comfort, style, and dependable performance. Number 5. Castor Diva Smart Bidet Toilet. The Castor Diva Smart Bidet Toilet delivers premium performance and modern convenience, making it an excellent addition to any contemporary bathroom. With a MAP rating of 1,000 grams, it ensures powerful, clog-free waste removal in a single flush. Its vortex flushing technology maximizes efficiency while conserving water, and the dual flush system, 1.6 GPF full to 1.1 GPF half, offers eco-conscious performance. A pre-wetting function moistens the bowl before use for improved hygiene, while the built-in tank and pump-assisted flush guarantee stable, powerful flushing even under zero water pressure, ideal for homes with inconsistent supply. The ADA-compliant height, 17 3/8, enhances comfort, especially for seniors or those with mobility challenges. This smart toilet features automatic lid opening and closing, foot sensor activation, and auto flushing for a fully touch-free experience. The self-cleaning Bidet 1 provides rear, front, oscillating, and massage wash modes, with customizable water pressure, position, and temperature. Enjoy luxurious extras like a heated elongated seat with 5 temperature settings, warm air dryer, instant warm water, LED display, night light, and an intuitive remote control. With EGS, CEC, and CUPC certifications, plus reliable customer service and free replacements for defective units, the Castor Diva toilet delivers smart, stylish, and dependable performance.